Edward Barber bukas sa Kwentong Barber, makakasama niya ang nag-iisang Elea Salonga kasi si Star Magic nag-post sa Twitter ang sabi, "You wouldn't wanna miss this week's episode of Kwentong Barber cause joining Edward Barber is none other than Tony Award-winning artist Elea Salonga. Catch our new episode live tomorrow, August 18 at 6 p.m. on our official Kumu account at MixPH." Ayan, congratulations Edward Barber. Palakas ng Kwentong Barber at pasikat ng pasikat ang kanyang mga bisita. Lining up sa kanyang season 2, naku, Gary Valenciano, James Reid, and Gary V, TJ and KZ, and now here comes Elea Salonga lang naman. Kaya congratulations Edward, at for sure ipapakita mo na naman ang galing mo sa pag-host bukas, kaya antabayan na namin yan sa Kumu. Of course, nag-comment na si MayWard Flyer, sabi niya, "Good luck to you Edward Barber." Sabi ni Joy, ayun, "Thank you to Star Magic Philippines and MayWard Trend Squad, #MayWard, #My Entrada, #Edward Barber, MayWard Moscow." Let's go na! Sa Kwentong Barber ni Edward Barber bukas, August 18 at 6 p.m. with guests, Miss Elea Salonga. Ano bang sinabi ni May?
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
Ayun, ang walang katapusang let's go ni May. Ang sabi ni MayWard Moscow, "I can't wait." Ayun. Sabi ni Gang L, "Woohoo, always looking forward to Kwentong Barber. Good luck tomorrow, Barber." And Hannah said, "Good luck, Edward." Ev V said, "Exciting episode." Masaya si Jazz at saka sabi ni Applejack, "Good luck, Edward." Ang sabi ni Labeled Ward, "I love Edward John Barber." Thank you po. Ayun. Salamat po, sabi ni Amrek. Ayan. So yan ang abangan bukas, makakasama ni Elea Salonga, ni Edward Barber si Elea Salonga sa Kwentong Barber Episode 2. Samantala si Mema Entrata, dahilan sa kanyang newsbeat kanina ng about learning English at having a tutorial, marami na naman ang syempre nag-criticize, but wala tayong pakialam sa criticism ng iba. Ang importante, May is really an open-minded person and really keen on learning and very interested to know more and learn more the second language of the Philippines, English. Yan. And about May Entrata, we are just here. Nakita ko yung teaser ni Star Magic Philippines. Ang sabi, "Ready ka na ba, Besh?" At nakita natin sa art card, sa pa-teaser, si Tony Labrusca with May Entrata. May is wearing a new hair, like having new hair in there. But then siya, yeah, ididikit ko dito yung picture nila. And excited na kami, May Entrata, kung kailan mag-uumpisa yan. At kung kailan mag-premiere yan, syempre, pang-aabangan namin yan. Excited na kami para sa project mo with Tony Labrusca. Samantala, on Friday, Call Me Maybe episode will be about power of voting. Kaya, Call Me Maybe, antabayanan nyo yan every Friday, 8 p.m. on For Your Entertainment channel at Kumu. It's gonna be hosted by and co-produced by Robbie Domingo and by May Entrada. Episode number 2, topic, it is about the power to vote. The power of voting. Yun yung topic ni na May at saka ni Robbie Domingo ngayong Friday. Yeah. Kaya kita-kits tayo sa Friday sa Kumu, sa For Your Entertainment channel. Of course, manonood tayo niyan kasi day off natin. Kaya yan lang din ang update natin about May Entrata kasi busy siguro ang dalaga. After nag-TikTok ay tinanggal niya raw ang kanyang TikTok video sa TikTok, bakit kaya? Siguro, baka may copyright claim na rin ang TikTok, kaya tinanggal. Kasi ang alam ko, in-upload ko yung TikTok video niya kahapon at may nag-copyright claim. Kaya ang ginawa ko, pinalitan ko siya ng Budut's song. Kaya sana gano'n na lang pwede. Pero nang dahil hindi tayo mahilig sa TikTok at hindi tayo gumagawa ng TikTok video, kaya hindi natin alam ang rules ng TikTok. Kung may copyright claim din ba sila, kaya ng YouTube at saka ng Facebook. So yan lang ang ating update about sa ating mga palangga na si Maymay Entrata and Edward Barber. Huwag kaligtaan, bukas Kwentong Barber Season 2 na kung saan kasama ni Edward si Miss Leia Salonga. And then sa Friday naman mga kaibigan, ang ating Call Me Maybe na kung saan ang topic ng magkaibigan at magkuya ay ang ating power bilang voters. So yan ang kanilang pagdedebatehan sa Biyernes, kaya antabayanan natin yan lahat. At ito pa, sigurado ang good vibes ngayong Wednesday kasama si Edward Barber, Jeremy Glenoga at Popsi Jong Hilario kasi nandoon po sila sa Magandang Buhay. Halika pa't panuorin natin ang teaser ng Magandang Buhay.
This Wednesday, sigurado ang saya basta't mamhis ang kasama. Dagdagan pa ng aliw na kulitan with Edward, Jeremy, and Popsi Jong. For sure, GV ka!
Ang pinaka magpakompleto talaga sa buhay ko ay yung maging tatay.
Nung nagkaanak siya, parang mas naging hunky siya. Oo nga.
Anong hunky yan? Hunker-chief?
The categories game. Mga probinsya sa Pilipinas.
Bulacan!
Magandang Buhay! This Wednesday,
Naku, mananalo kaya si Edward sa palaro ng mga momshies. Bukas lang yan sa Magandang Buhay with Edward, Jeremy, and Jong. Hayan. Antayin natin yan bukas pag may time manood tayo mga Ka MayWard. See you on my... Alexander Lexter Jules. See you on my next mga Ka MayWard.
Can see what comes my way, and I'm always lost. There's nowhere else to go. All I do is fall. Feels like I can make it more than I could bear. Giving up is all that I can surrender to you. Take me in your arms and hold with your love, find my rest and I can see you lead me. You make me hope again. Your love is all I ever need. Never knew this love can make my heart beat. You hold my world again. Your love is all I ever need. No